Red cabbage salad recipe for weight loss. It is a healthy, crunchy and vibrant salad for weight loss. Join me, let's make this recipe together. So now, let's go. I'm using half head of red cabbage. Red cabbage is a good source of fiber and vitamin. Using 1 cucumber, cucumber keep you hydrated. Using 1 onion. Guys, I love onion. Same time I hate it. When I'm chopping it, I always cry. Let me know about you. Let's soak the onion for 5 minutes. I will add salt. Keep it aside. We need small head of parsley. We are going to finely chop it. Let's put it in a separate bowl. We will add it to the salad later. Some walnuts and almond for it to have that crunchy taste. Okay, so now we are going to chop it and add it into our salad. I'm done with the nuts. If you are the one, let me know, what will you use, knife or your blender? Let's add the nuts. Let's strain the soaked onion. If you are enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think. If today is your first time, you're welcome. To my old subscribers, you are amazing. Thank you for coming back. Add the fresh parsley. Let's put it aside and make the dressing. Into the bowl, 40 ml of olive oil, 20 ml lemon juice, 1 honey, a pinch of salt, half tablespoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon mustard. Well mix. Let's garnish it with white sesame. If you have sunflower seed, it's good. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave your comments. Let me know. I would like you to try this recipe. Subscribe for more healthy recipe, guys. Thank you. This salad pairs well with grilled chicken or fish. Keeps well in the fridge for up to 2 to 3 days, making it a great make-ahead option for you.